koala's head. And a nose. Now draw koala's mouth so it can eat leaves. Wow, nice job! And now draw big and funny ears. Super! Then draw its body. Remarkable! And hind paws. Now it's front paws. How delightful! What a sweet koala you have drawn.
Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo.
Let's draw a funky iguana. First, draw a round head.
Little red wagon, pink and blue. Little red wagon, pink
Splendid!
and blue.
Now draw a smile on its face.
Skip to my loo, my darling.
Nice! Decorate its head with a crest. Beautiful! Now draw its body with a long tail and add spots and stripes.
2 by 2, off to Texas, 2-a-2. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo.
Remarkable! Now draw spines on its back. Fantastic! Draw 2 legs, front and rear.
Lost my partner, what'll I do?
And add toes.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do?
And 2 more legs.
My darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo.
Don't forget toes, so your iguana can climb trees. Well done! You have created an excellent iguana.
Love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Let's draw a happy giraffe. First, draw its head with a muzzle. Then, draw its ears. Well done! Draw 2 funny horns. Wonderful! Now draw a long neck. And the spots. Fantastic! Draw a giraffe's body. And spots on it. Awesome! What a wonderful job you are doing. Draw a tail for your giraffe. Excellent! Now do a pair of long legs. And then another pair. That's great! You have drawn a splendid giraffe.